Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a warranty deed with Rocket Lawyer. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To create a warranty deed with Rocket Lawyer, start by visiting the Rocket Lawyer website. Once you're on the home page, look for the search bar at the top. In the search bar, type warranty deed and hit enter. You will see a list of options related to warranty deeds. Click on the option that says create a warranty deed. You will be directed to the warranty deed template page. Here, you'll find information about what a warranty deed is. Read through this information to understand the purpose of the document. After familiarizing yourself, click on the Get Started button. You will need to set up an account if you don't already have one. If you have an account, simply log in. Once logged in, the form for the warranty deed will appear. Fill in the required fields with accurate information. You will need details such as the names of the grantor and grantee. Next, provide the legal description of the property being transferred. Make sure to double-check this information for accuracy. As you fill out the form, Rocket Lawyer will guide you through each section. If you have questions, there are resources available on the site to assist you. Once you have completed the form, review all entries once again. Look for any potential errors or missing information. When you are satisfied with the details, click on the Next button. You will be taken to a page where you can finalize your document. Review the summary of your warranty deed carefully. You may have options to customize or add additional clauses if needed. After reviewing, choose the option to download or print your deed. Depending on your choice, you may need to select a payment method. Complete the transaction as directed. Once paid, you can access your final warranty deed. Make sure to save a copy for your records. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.